Hello and welcome back to another video. It's Will here with another car sort of installation, modification, adding accessories, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be modifying my Audi A3 again today. So this video is sort of going to be just a little one. We're going to add a couple of bits just to make it look better inside and out. Nothing too hard, nothing too long. Just a quick video just to make those little changes to make it 10 times better. Cool, so these accessories that we're going to be putting on the car, they're not too pricey, they're within everyone's budget, and they're from our good old friend over at eBay. Cool, so the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing the center caps on the car. So some of you may be aware, I did spray my alloys, but I didn't. I got my friend Liam to do it, who you'll see in the coming videos, because we've got a couple of things planned, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, we got my alloys sprayed, we sprayed them black, but the center caps were still silver and we didn't really want to spray the plastic. So we got some new ones of those, very cheap off eBay. I'll put a link in the description of sort of where I got everything from. And then the second thing we're going to be doing is changing up the car mats a bit, because my car didn't actually come with car mats. I got given some as like temporary ones. That was like 8 months ago, so I finally went ahead and bought some. They're from Logo Car Mats. I'll also leave a link to them down below as well. And they're just so good, so customizable. You can choose what thickness you want, and yeah, it's all around good, to be fair, and you'll see those in a second. If you do enjoy the video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe down below, and let me know your thoughts and sort of what I'm doing good, what you guys want to see in the future, and also what you want to see me do to the car, because I need some ideas. I've got a few lined up over the next coming weeks, like I say, involving this bad boy that I got from eBay as well, some dechroming tape, because the aim is to murder out the car eventually. We did a little bit with the grille. Obviously the silver trim around the grille was gone when we changed that. We've done the alloys, we're going to be doing the center caps today. So the aim is to proper black out the car. Also, I just thought I'd put it in there because I'm doing a little bit of a speech segment here, so I might as well carry it on for a little bit. We're not just going to be doing videos on the Audi A3. This is what I'm starting with. We're going to keep this going as a series, but I want to move into other things as well. You know, go on those road trips with my friends, record it, get the camera out. That'd be funny. Maybe go to a couple of car meets. That'd be good too. We've also got a couple of nice cars in the group, so maybe I might do some reviews on there, compare them to my A3, see what we like better, see what we don't like as much, and just basically have fun with it, I guess. So yeah, stay tuned for that as well. Subscribe and ding on that bell to keep updated with all the videos that come out, so you can see the progression of the car. Use the dirtiness of the car. So like I said, we're aiming is to dechrome all of this and try and get that all sort of taped up. That's what the dechroming tape's for. Obviously we've already done the badges, we've done the grille and everything. So yeah, we've done the badges, we've done the grille. We're going to do the side trims as well, because I think that's the bit that makes it look less sporty, is just the side trims. Probably in loads of wind right now, because there's always loads of wind around here. The only bit of chrome I do want to keep is the S-Line badges. I think they just add something different to the car. And it's just something that I want to keep on there just to stand out more than anything. I'll show you what the center caps look like at the moment. This will be the first one we do. Also, apologies for the dirty alloy. I need to clean the car. So yeah, that's what the alloy looks like underneath all the dirt and stuff. But yeah, as you can see, they're silver, so they don't quite match the alloys. So I've been looking like a bit of a tit for the last few months. But yeah, let's check out the new ones. I thought there was like a pin in here that you press, but you don't. It's sort of just a clip that you have to just pry off, and it is quite hard, so you have to sort of go around each end, pull it off, and there you have it. We've got one off. Let's go do the other four. I mean, to be fair, it don't look too bad without any, you know. Could have just got a normal center one. That would have looked alright. But yeah. Cool, so now we've got everything off. All done there. Yeah, so that's what they look like. They're gonna look like that on the car. Look all good, so much better. So if we do a little bit of a comparison, I know these silver ones are dirty. Look at the difference. I mean, I like black. I love cars in black. I love them all de-chrome. The only bits of chrome are going to be these little sort of wheel nut coverings, but I can live with that. But yeah, in my opinion, so much better. Let's put these on the car and see what they look like. Cool. So literally to put these on, we just line up all of these clips. That's literally all that holds them on. What we want to do though is make sure they're all lined up without scratching the alloy. I'm going to push them in. They're going to be quite tough. There we go. There's one. Ooh. There we go. I'm just conscious not to break them because I don't want them to snap at all. Pull them just to make sure that they're not coming off easily like the other ones with very stiff on. These ones even stiffer on. And that's how you do it. Look at that. From what it was before to that, I think that's a success. Cool, so they actually did come in this sort of like package and stuff. Forgot to tell everyone. So yeah, nice packaging for it to come in. Let's fit the other ones. There we go. So look at that, how good do they look compared to the other ones? I'll put a comparison on the screen sort of at the end of the video. But fun fact, I wasn't actually meant to do these just yet. I was meant to do these when I done the brake calipers because I want to paint them as well as like another video idea. But the video I was meant to do was like the wrapping and the tinting and stuff like that, and a couple of others that I had in mind. But I'm just gonna go down here because it's a bit quieter. But I couldn't get it done in time. I needed a video for this week, so we've sort of put together a couple of accessories for this week's video. In the next coming weeks, you'll see the wrapping, you'll see all the fun stuff, a couple of car reviews and whatnot, like I said earlier, so that's all to come. But yeah, just for a bit of an overview of why I'm just randomly putting some centre caps on. They were meant to be for the brake caliper video, but I needed content for this week. We're a bit behind schedule on what I wanted to do. That's why I sort of haven't been showing you the car. That's why I sort of haven't been showing you the car as much, because we've started doing it a little bit, but we haven't sort of finished it. So I want that to be another video. So yeah, for this week, we're gonna do the car mats. We've done that. So yeah, let's get into the car mats and see how much better these look. Look at that mat. That's just gotta go. So these are some cheap ones that I was given. They've done the job for the last few months, but time to sort of sort it out and make it look all good. So we've got this one over here, and this is what this side looks like. I don't know if you can sort of see the back ones as well. They're just sort of plain black ones, but hopefully they'll change a little bit. So let's get into this. Cool, so these are the ones we're going to be putting in. Obviously plain black, the same as before, but the main difference is these ones. Like I said, I got these from Logo Car Mats. I'll put the link down below, like I said before, and they've just got the Audi logo in there just to spice it up a little bit. It was a choice between the Audi logo or the S-Line logo on the mats. I don't know, I thought the Audi one just stood out a bit more. The S line was good, but it wasn't quite what I wanted. So I thought the Audi one, keep it authentic, keep it good. Let's see what these ones look like. Also, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, like I said before. Leave down in the comments below what you want me to do to this bad boy, and also what you want to see from me in the future. Anyway, I think I've waffled on for quite a bit now, so let's put these car mats in rather than wasting any more time. So yeah, as you can see, they weren't even clipped in. They didn't have the clip. Got some masking tape and nail for that in there. So yeah, we'll just take these ones out. Put them down there. It does need a hoover, but I'm going to be cleaning the car during the week, so I don't think there's any point right now. I know a lot of you are probably going to kick off with me about that, but it is what it is. Oh, this is dirty. Sorted. Cool, so now we've got all of them out. Let's put the new ones in and then we'll see, did it make a difference? Does it look the same? I don't know, let's have a look, let's do it. Cool, so putting the other ones in. Hopefully this one should be a perfect fit as well. All sorted there. But this one needs a bit of pulling, which is fine. There we go. All lined up, clicked in. Cool, so we've got the new ones here. Hopefully they fit as well. We've got a nice new Audi logo there. I'm hoping this will make all the difference. So let's put these in. Obviously it looks to be fitting at the moment. Again, we've got the two clips to line it up to stop it from sliding. Which, one thing I hated about the other mats is they just kept sliding about, especially when I was driving. It used to be a bit dangerous how they'd move a little bit. So hopefully this sorts it out. So I've lined this up. Good old bashing. Oh hey. And they are clipped in and they fit pretty perfectly. Last one put in. It looks like it's going to fit perfectly, but I'm not holding my breath just in case. But so far so good. So like I say, looks like it's going to fit. All we need to do is clip these down again. Like that, there's one. Here's the other, a bit of pulling. And it's in, fitting perfect. So there we have it then, the end of the video. I have to say it does look pretty good myself. I had to turn all the lights on because it's getting a bit dark outside. So it looks like we've done the modifications and stuff just in time. Obviously, let me know if you liked the video down below by clicking that like button and leaving a comment suggesting what I can do better, what you liked about the video. Feedback is always appreciated. Like I said, we're going to switch it up over the next few videos. We're going to be doing some more sort of accessories that we're adding to the car. We're going to be reviewing a couple of cars as well, so stay tuned to that, or even review this car if you want. Maybe a few comparisons even if they're the same style of car. We'll see. I'm not too sure yet. We're just going to run with it. Hopefully do weekly uploads from now, be consistent, yeah, and do things from there. And I hope you guys are there for the journey as well. So like I said before, please like, comment and subscribe down below. Let's see the comparisons one more time. Cool, look at that difference, especially with the car mats there. And obviously, yeah, the centre cap's looking amazing as well. I really like the murdered out look, so they're going well. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching today. It's been a real pleasure to sort of show you around the car again. And like I say, just having fun making these videos at the moment. So leave your suggestions down below. Cool, so stay tuned for next week for a new video, a new different type of video. And we'll see where we go from there. See ya.